Hey guys, how are you all? Hope so you all are doing well. So I go in the room, it's good. Simba, come with me. I take Simba with me and I come in the room. Okay, so let's start the voiceover. You sit with me here. No? Okay. So everywhere is in the room until someone on the lights. He sit on the he sit on the side and make a pouch. How I stay here? And with him, huh? No way. I can't. I don't talk with him. My mom dads me to him. And now when he do what I do now. And now what I do now. He think and his eyes turn. He then wipes it with his one hand and start to wait what just happened. But a small boy come just like him. His age is also like him, 19 to 20. Hey, the boy looked at him with his big Joe eyes. Oh my, you are so beautiful. Thank you, he said in low voice. Your name? Jimin. Jimin, but everyone call me Minnie. Oh, Jimin, I am Chaeyoung, but they all call me Tae, so you also. Jimin looked at him and nodded. Chaeyoung sent me here. You are hungry? Jimin sign as no. Something he again sign as no. Uh, sign as no. Jay, why you sit here, huh? Why you sit here, huh? Go and sit on the bed. Jimin sign as no again. Jay, I think you are feeling from here. Jimin stays silent. It's okay, no problem. Sit here. I am going. Now, if you want something, tell me or tell him. Okay, Jimin? He said and go. He closed the door. Jimin, he is so cute. But whom he is calling him, that's no one. But whom he is calling? He is calling him that. No, he don't. How can he is the brother of that? He again start to think what he do now and he don't know when he fell in sleep. A man come in the room. He see a cute boy sleep on the couch. He signed to see him and went to him without thinking anything. Him in and lay him on the bed. Jimin opened his eyes. Simba, Simba, Simba. Simba. Simba is so. Simba is not well nowadays, but it's alright. Okay. They both look at. They both look at each other. Eyes. They both look into each other eyes. Jimin eyes widen. He sits on the bed and his forehead with Yoongi. Yoongi just stare him. Uh, just Simbo, ऐसे नहीं करते. No, Yoongi just stare him. Didn't such anything. He didn't such anything. Jimin see him. He's trying to himself in the blanket. Yoongi, why you sleep on the couch? Sleep here. Why you sleep on the couch? Sleep here. He said with the extreme level and yet calm voice. Jimin, I am just he's looking down and playing with his fingers. Yoongi see him. Yoongi see him. Simba को बैठी रहो. Okay, so I come in the garage. Yoongi, I just Yoongi see him. Yoongi see him. He don't know why, but she really want to laugh now. Yoongi, okay, sleep now. Jimin look at him, and he nodded like a obey kid. He lay on the bed, fell in sleep. Yoongi come out. He lay on the bed. See, Jimin is sleeping. Jimin is sleeping like a cute small chick. He take him in his and also fell in sleep peacefully. Next day, when Jimin wake up, he see no one is in the room. He sit on the bed and meanwhile with Yoongi. Yoongi, come downstairs. So only 30 minutes was left. ये मेरा होगा ख़त्म आई थिंक 42 पर. हाँ. Yoongi sit on the dining table. Yoongi sit on the dining table. Is checking some files. Take good morning, Hyung. He sit on the chair. Yoongi morning. Where is he, Hyung? Yoongi go and call him. See he wake up or not. Okay. He go upstairs and Jungkook come. JK, hey brother, what's up? Yoongi, fine. Tell me about you. JK, still trying to make your brother agree. Yoongi, carry on. Take come with Jimin. After some time, JK, oh, he's Jimin. Tay see him. He didn't say anything and he sits beside Jimin. JK, Tay, at least look at me. Like to have Jimin. Huh? Nothing. Yoongi look at him. Okay, so Yoongi and Jimin is Yoongi him and he don't want Jimin think something it's true him just don't know how to tell and Jimin have to understand him. Yoongi, do your breakfast. After that we talk. Chasing him. Okay, so JK and Yoongi is brother. Tae is Yoongi brother. Still, he treat him as his younger brother. Tae served Jimin food and he is shocked. Jimin, how can I eat that much? Tae, eat silently. You don't know Hyung. Jimin, I don't want to know also. Tae chuckles silently. JK, Hyung, see. Yoongi, what's my? It's fine. I just need to talk with him. Think about you. Who said you at me, JK? It's been 1 week. Okay, so birds were chirping. Sit here. Okay, so everyone is watching movie in the room and he'll look at me. I'm doing voiceover. I do everything from yesterday, from tomorrow on time. Week 1 week Young. Yoongi saw what he don't forget and they start to do the breakfast. Jimin ate a little bit. Yoongi can also see. Yoongi, I am going office. JK, I don't come today. Yoongi, as you wish. Te Jimin, come. I give you the mention toward JK. Huh, I also come. Yoongi, to see. Te, so you like the mention? Jimin nodded and they sit on the stairs. You know, Jimin, Hyung made all this with so much. Jimin looked at him. Jimin, he's Tae small. Tae, he's Jimin in such a small age. Tae, according to Jungkook, as he told he as he told Yoongi, Hyung is 10 years old when he started to take the training. As his father and his mother do work as a he want to give his mother everything. That's why he chose this field. But before this his mother also Jimin, oh my, I am feeling so for him. Jay, me too. Whenever I think now he have everything but he don't have Jimin, don't he have any Tay sign as no Tay no. Hyung never take in anyone. You are the first person whom he like and you will be the last as you both are. As you both are. It is really यार गर्मी लग रही है काफ़ी ज़्यादा गर्मी काफ़ी ज़्यादा मूवी देख रहे हैं हाँ तुम गुजर जाओ So the next text is Jimin, yeah, you truly, and you don't know how much I am happy. Finally, he also got Jimin. I am for him, and moreover, meet you with him. To Jimin, you think a person taking training from 15 years And it's been 3 years. He is the. How can he is soft? And moreover, it's just his way. But it's true, you. I see in his eyes the for you know. It's on you. Jimin makeup out. Jimin, I am still. Haha, it's alright. With the passage of time, everything become alright. But don't run from him, okay, Jimin? I will try. Take smile. Take come. Let's make dinner. Jimin nodded. So sometimes you the person without knowing about his life as his past as Jimin do. Okay, so Yoongi is really young. Only one day are left. Only one day are left after that. The 9th class result is coming. तो ये ख़त्म अभी मेरा 11 मिनट का हुआ है अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. He just know one thing. Yoongi him to with him, but he don't know what he. Yoongi come home with his one man. He sit on the bed. His forehead is. Yoongi, you can go now. You want something, sir? If you tell me. Yoongi, okay, go. He bow at him and go. Yoongi, they again go. I have to them. He thinks and Jimin come in the room. He is shocked to see him. He don't know why he is feeling. He take his step back, but he remember what she said. He take a deep breath and went to him. Yoongi look up and see Jimin. Jimin, your forehead is. Yoongi, thanks for telling me. I don't know. Jimin, really? You don't know your forehead is? Don't you feel any? Yoongi signed to see him. Yoongi, how it's happened? Yoongi, I am dreaming about someone and then I from the upstairs. Jimin is really so innocent. Jimin, whom you are thinking? Yoongi, you, he said, and Jimin seeing him. Both look at both look at each other, and then Jimin looked into another side. Jimin, Yoongi didn't said anything. Jimin looked here and there. Jimin looked here and there, and in the room, Yoongi is saying his every. He see the. He open the almirah and take. He come and sit beside him, but with some. He is confused at the same time. His tattoo on his forehead. Jimin, sorry, he said as he is feeling. He on the Jimin. You take a Yoongi, okay? And which one? Jimin, which one? He start to think he don't know about as he's a computer student. Yoongi really like to tease him. I don't know why it's so romantic. Okay, so I do the struggle and I know I will get success one day. Okay, so Yoongi chuckle to see him. Yoongi hold his hand and Jimin see him. Yoongi, I am fine and happy also. You care for me. You care for me. Jimin don't know why he is feeling, but at the same time to see his Jimin, take care. See what happened. Yoongi, this is common for me. Jimin, no, this is not. If something happens, Yoongi, so what, huh? If something happens to no one is here to wait for me. Jimin, I do. he said, and Yoongi looked at him. Jimin, I do. I wait for you. I take care of you. I stay with you, Yoongi, for whole life. He asked, and Jimin see him. He nodded. Jimin, yes. I stay with you. Be careful. Yoongi, I will. Jimin, take rest now. He said, and he go out to take something. Yoongi, it's just on the forehead, and you react like this. And you react like this. If you see me, if you see me when I was really what you do, Jimin. It's just one day, and you are making me for you. Jimin come back with the dinner. Jimin, I am fine. It's just a Jimin, stay silent. I said, and Yoongi is silent. Okay, so you all know Yoongi, huh? Jimin, stay silent and eat, he said, and start to. Yoongi is eating. He is feeling like after 18 years he get from when he come in this field. Okay, it's also better. Come in this field. No one him once his mother used to. Jimin, tell me about you, he said, and Yoongi stopped. Jimin, I really don't think you had that much in you. Yoongi, oh, so you are doing all this as you feel on me. Jimin, no, Yoongi. It's not like that. Yoongi saw you. Me, Jimin. Oh my, Simba! Simba! What I do with her? Looking down. Look look at him, and then looking down. Yoongi, tell me, huh? Jimin, you realize your feelings when you don't have the person. If something happens, so now it's difficult for me to tell you what I actually feel. So don't ask me again, but it's true. I don't feel on you. I no need to, he said, and placed the dinner in front of him. He about to go when Yoongi held his hand. Jimin didn't look at him. Yoongi sit here. Jimin sit in front of him and looking down. Jimin, look at me, he said, and Jimin looked up. He then looked at him. Yoongi, it's been 2 years. I see you in the exhibition with your family, and there are you from almost 2 years, and then I got to know your parents is thinking to do your. That's why I do all this. I also know how much your parents was. I just use my way. Jimin looked at him, Jimin, huh? Yoongi, yes. Jimin stays silent. He just seeing him. Yoongi, don't think I and you. Just to complete my. Uh-huh. Just to complete my. It's totally. I never someone in my life but you. You, me too. Jimin don't know what he said now. He's feeling happy. He looking down and hide his smile. His smile. He is feeling so happy. He himself don't want to with his cousin. Yoongi, now tell me, huh? Jimin, stand up. Jimin saw you, Mr. Min Yoongi, but I will not that much soon. Yoongi, what, what is this, Jimin? Jimin, you have to do if you want me to, he said, and ran from there. Yoongi chuckled to see him. Jimin is just like a small kid. Nothing else. Okay, so 15 minutes, 14 minutes voiceover are left. And someone messaged me. Oh. Jimin is Jimin is smiling and he come downstairs with someone, but he handled himself. I am sorry, Jimin, it's okay. The boy see him. Sohyun, well, you are okay? Jimin just nodded. He don't look at him. Sohyun, really? He put his hand on his shoulder and Jimin take a step back. Sohyun, be careful. He hold his hand and Jimin his hand. Jimin, excuse me. Sohyun see him and he go upstairs. Jimin, who is he? I don't see him from when I come. He come down and seated. He's also going upstairs. Maybe in his room. Che Jimin, you are here. Jimin, yeah, Che. Who is he? The boy just passed. Che, he is Yoongi and Jungkook cousin brother. He come to meet them. Jimin, oh, okay, Che. Why? Jimin just casually, good night. Che smile. Che, okay, good night. He also go upstairs. Jimin, he also go upstairs. Jimin, don't know. Don't know why he feel. He go downstairs, drink the water, and come in the room. He sees Sohyun in the room. Is in the room, talking with Jungi. Jimin don't know. He is not feeling around him. Jungi see him. Jimin, Sohyun. Who is he? I see him downstairs also. Yoongi, he is Jimin man. Sohyun, oh, congratulations, you get Yoongi, thanks. Sohyun, okay then, see you tomorrow. Yoongi, okay. Sohyun, good night. Jimin, huh? He turned suddenly and he go from the room. Jimin is lost in his thoughts. Yoongi noticed. Yoongi, Jimin, what you are thinking? Jimin nothing. Yoongi raised his eyebrow and Jimin sit on the bed. He is thinking and Yoongi hold his hand. Jimin, Yoongi don't do this. Jimin watch Yoongi. You are literally your nails. Jimin saw. Oh my Simba is looking so beautiful. She is sleeping. She is so beautiful. I have habit. Yoongi, wow, habit, huh? Don't do this. Do this. Jimin leave this. Yoongi, some days ago, you were feeling from me. Jimin, so what, huh? Let me sleep. I am sleepy. He said and lay on the bed. Yoongi can Jimin is with him totally. Yoongi off the lights and Jimin see him and shocked. Okay, so I have to talk here as I don't do the further voiceover on this text. So it's good I start to talk with you. Simba sleep is disturbed by me as I am doing voiceover. But after that I have to go academy, so I have to do voiceover for now. Otherwise I will be late and my video also got late. Okay, so only 30 seconds are left. I have to talk like a person now, you all think. And ignore all this. Ignore all this. I sit in the garage because in the room my family is watching movie. They don't care about me. But still, I'm doing voiceover. Oh. Okay, so the next text was. Then he fell in sleep, both sleeping peacefully and not thinking. Only Jimin is thinking how Jimin open his eyes. He see no one is in the room. So this is the third last scene. Is in the room. He sit on the bed. Jimin, where he go early in the morning? He sits on the bed and start to wait for him. Then he see the door open. Yoongi come in the room. Yoongi, you wake up. Jimin see the time it's 8. He nodded. Jimin, I wake up early today. Okay, so he wake up early today. I just take admission in college now. Today I take the admission in college. As I have to ask something also to my friends. But for now I have to do voiceover. Voiceover is it's 3:33. I have to go academy also. Okay, so fast. The time fastly. Only 3 pictures are left. Mama! बाज ही नहीं आते यार. मैं क्या करूँ. मैं उनको नहीं बुलाऊंगी तो और मैं किसको बुलाऊंगी. हाँ. Yoongi, yes, so much. Jimin, I have to go, he said and run from there. Yoongi see him and he start to wait for him. Yoongi, Jimin, come fast. I have to talk with you. After some minutes, Jimin come out. He fresh up. Jimin, yeah, said Yoongi. I am going office. I come home late today, as I have to go on the also. Jimin, huh? Take care, please. Yoongi, I will. You also take care. Tay and Cook also go out for dinner as after 2 weeks they start to talk with him. So you don't your dinner. I message you when I get time. Jimin nodded. Jimin, okay. Yoongi, you are. Jimin sign as no. Jimin, no, I am. Take care, Yoongi, please. He show him his puppy eyes. Yoongi, I will minute. Don't worry on his forehead. Yoongi, take care. Jimin, you too. And then he go. So Jimin also don't know what is going to happen as it's alright. It's with life. Well, leave it. Okay, so this is the second last text. Sorry, scene. Jungkook and Tae go out for dinner. Jimin sit on the dining table. As they know, Yoongi asked him, Jimin, he come home in night or not? He is thinking and playing with his food. Sohyun come and sit in front of him. Jimin, you. He don't know why he become. Sohyun, yeah, I am here to meet my cousin. Jimin, he is not at home. Sohyun, okay, and Jungkook. Jimin, they also go for dinner. You can go and come tomorrow, he said, and Sohyun chuckled. Sohyun, it's okay. I talk with you, he said, and sit in front of him. He don't know what he do now. He don't know what to do. He can feel. Sohyun is his with Jim. His stand up. Jimin, you can go and come tomorrow. He said and pick his phone. He about to go when Sohyun. Sohyun, why so early, huh? Where you are going? He go out. He go out, huh? He go out. Okay, so he's talking about Yoongi. I know, no because I know because I sent him. Jimin shocked. Jimin, huh? Sohyun, I am his biggest as he don't know. He went to him. Jimin, Jimin, stay from me. Sohyun, why? Let's have some. He said, and Jimin eyes turned automatically him and about turn when he and Sohyun, how you me, huh? What I do? He said and take the phone from him somewhere in the room. Jimin take his step back. He go and told his auntie about to him when he Sohyun, you he almost and Jimin, Yoongi, where are you? He's thinking and look into another side. And okay, so then this was the last, I think so, second last text. Yeah, this was the second last text. It's finished on no, two texts are left. I don't know what is happening. Which my symbol is looking so cute while sleeping, and your author don't have time. Okay, so your author don't have time. I don't know my schedule also, what I have to read today. ये तो वो हाल है जो भी कस्में खाई थी हमने. हाँ हाँ. From his eyes, he opened his eyes, but he opened his eyes as he don't know, as he don't anything he sees. So he lay on the. He see Yoongi stand there. Jimin see him. Yoongi went to him. Jimin see him, and then he looking down. Yoongi. Okay, I think मैंने एक ही text लिया. हाँ, Jimin, you okay? Jimin didn't said anything, and he stand there like a Yoongi. Jimin, I am talking with you. He didn't said anything, and he don't care. But so okay, so he take him in the. It seems like Jimin is still now. He's trying to talk with him. Yes, what he do? Okay, he's not going to leave Sohyun that much. He will everything. Okay, so uni is. यार पैर तो साफ ही हैं लग रहे हैं. ये करके जाना. Okay, I have to reach prayers. अरे मुझे मुंह हाथ धो भी होना है. सिम्बा की नींद फिर डिस्टर्ब. यार चुप कर जाओ. इनका शोर. Oh my. Yoongi, Jimin, please talk with me. Jimin, Yoongi, he don't do anything. Forget about this. Jimin, no, Yoongi, how can he? Yoongi, I come. I'm sorry. I'll never do this again. Jimin is, and he don't know. यार नहीं बदतमीजी चेक कर. And he don't. यार वो इतना बोल रहे थे ना. And he don't know. I come. I'm sorry. I'll never do this again. And you don't know when he fell in sleep. Yoongi point of view. Yoongi, I'm calling Jimin, but he didn't attend the call. So I thought to come back as stay. And Gook is also not at home. So I come and I see all this. I feel like he think and sign. Next day Jimin wake up. He see no one is in the room. He sit on the bed. Jimin, Yoongi come in the room. Yoongi, yes. Jimin, Yoongi, you are here. Yoongi went to him. Yoongi, I am with you. Jimin, Yoongi, I don't. Yoongi, I know. Jimin, I know. You no need to explain me. You no need to explain me. No need to explain me. यार खत्म हो जा. I have to do so many things. Okay. He sat on his forehead. Yoongi, Jimin, forget all this. We start to new life. Jimin, promise you stay with me. Yoongi, I will for forever, and I know how to take care. He said, and Yoongi, you try to mimic Jimin, but you see now what I do. Your whole so after some days, Jimin is also fine, and she both is living a good life together. Hope so you all like it. If you like, then subscribe and tell me in comments. Take care. Bye.